just arrived in Hotel Green Plaza. Excuse my voice, I've caught something. I've got a cold or something, flu. But look, you get loads of slippers. We've got a twin because I think that's all they had. They give you proper slippers there. The bathroom is the kind of disappointing thing. Well, it's not bad, it's just so small compared to the rest of the room. It's tiny compared to the rest of the room, but it's fine. It's what's needed. There's a sink there, just in case you need. Wash your hands, whatever. There is your amenities, tea, coffee, fridge and stuff. And check this room out. It's like Japanese style, like with a twist of modern. It's unreal. It's not like, I think the Japanese traditional rooms are called ryokans. It's not a ryokan, but it is Japanese style. Excuse me. Yeah, so that's the twin beds. There's wardrobes in there. Oh, so nice. You get all this stuff as well. Little bits and bobs here to wash your face. I didn't show you. There's like razors here and combs, toothpaste, toothbrush. Honestly, Japan really look after you. And this is the room. It's pretty amazing, to be fair. It wasn't cheap. It was something like £300 a night. That's dinner, bed and breakfast. So you're getting dinner, and look, that's the main attraction, kind of. It's the onsen, so it's outside, kind of, you could call it jacuzzi, but they call it onsen here. Outside bath. Can even have that, and there's a mosquito net, which is cool. It's got the outside onsen there. Proper stone, so the taps there. They give you stuff to wash your feet, shower after if you want, soaps, and this is the main attraction. And there is a view of Mount Fuji. I don't know if you can see it from here. You can see it really clearly as a person, but I don't know if the camera is picking it up. It's not cloudy, I just don't know if it's too far. But that's, yeah, Mount Fuji is there, basically. It's pretty awesome, to be fair. So yeah, this is the room. So it's Hotel Green Plaza. So if you ever, which is in the town of Hakone. So if you're ever this way, I recommend. A little screen made out of bamboo. It's so nice. The lamps. It's amazing, really. I do recommend it. Look at that. Probably why the bathroom's so small, because it's not needed, because you got this, so it's just like a basic bathroom. So I'm in Hakone. If I didn't say earlier, I showed you the hotel before, but wasn't feeling too good. Feel a bit better now. We just had the onsen, and I've got the yukata on. And just in case, if you're ever coming to Tokyo, 1 second, I just want to check something. Yeah, sorry. If you ever come into Tokyo, you can get a train from Tokyo, and it's Odawara. So you get a train from Tokyo to Odawara, and then there's an hour bus that will take you all like the mountains, and that will come to this area where we are now. But yeah, loving my traditional Japanese wear. So we're here for 2 nights, and then we move on to base ourselves in Kyoto. So we'll be seeing like Kyoto, Nara, a few places around the area, Osaka, and you know, whatever else we find. So yeah, so stay tuned. And this is the lobby. Beautiful hotel. And look at, I've never seen this. I've heard about it. An automatic piano. It is playing, it's just, it's so quiet, you need no people in here. But look at that. So cool. If you're Japanese, you'll know what that means. I'm guessing do not touch. But then that's the electric. I'm guessing that's how you program it. Yeah, it's beautiful here. There's some shops area. That's the reception, and also that's the restaurant where we will be going in about 10 minutes. Yeah, it's really nice here. Excuse the cough. I don't know what's going on with me, but I've got some sort of cough and runny nose, so I'm not sure what's happening. Yes, here's some of the products you can buy. All sorts of array of things. Oh, these sort of things interest me. Oh, tea salt. Oh, wow. Lemon salts. This is stuff you wouldn't get in the UK. This is the kind of stuff I bring home, whatever they are. That one doesn't say. But some form of salts I'll probably end up buying. Yeah. Cigarettes if you smoke. Key rings and all sorts. And there's drinks. Never a short supply of drinks in Japan at all. And some small snacks. Really cool. Well, I think that's it. So this is the food in our hotel. I'm pretty sure it is help yourself. Oh wow, look, all that sushi. We've not had sushi yet. Oh, sorry. Fish. Prawns. That's for udon. Endless. This is all included because obviously it was a very expensive room. So we can order pasta and they do it inside the cheese. Look, that pasta and the cheese. And they've got pizza. This endless.
Hello.
Yes, there's lots of stuff, and you've got like cold options. There's cold noodles. Not my kind of thing, but prawns again. Yeah. More prawns there, and there's desserts, lots of mini cakes so you can kind of try everything. Wow, I'm not used to this camera yet. I keep not showing properly. They've got pasta and they put it in the cheese over there, hot pasta
Inside the cheese, yeah.
yeah. And there's lots of cold meats.
Chicken lemon pepper.
Oh, that looks good.
That looks nice.
Beef simmered in red wine. Soup is there. Maybe not.
Cold pumpkin.
Oh, cold. And they've got cold pastas. It's just endless. All salads. I mean, I've not tried the food yet, but I would say it is worth the money. And all these are drinks, and there's drinks machines over there, you can see as well. Crazy. Chicken. Oh, prawn crackers, macaroni cheese, is that? Oh, clam macaroni gratin. I stand corrected. Wow. I could stay here forever. So yeah, it's unbelievable. And that's all their sushi, they make it fresh for you. There's a sushi chef just there. As I've said many times, the politest people I've personally ever met. Right, I'm going to put this down now because I need to dig in. I'm hungry, we haven't eaten all day. So today we are at Okawidani, which is within the Hakone region. It's not far from our hotel. It stinks of sulphur, but I can't smell it because I'm not very well. I've got the flu or something. So sorry, it's a little bit windy, but we're up quite high. So I'll pop it around. So I've got a better view here. The sun's come out as well, but you can really see the sulphur. a little zoom in. Yeah, unfortunately the walkway is closed because they monitor the steam and stuff. I think it's quite high today and stuff, so yeah, it's closed. You can usually walk up around there somewhere. You can't see it because of the steam. But yeah, hopefully it's not too windy. Look at that. Cable car. This is Lake Ashi in Hakone. It's a little cruise boat you can take. Really clean water. This little pirate ship, you can go across the lake. Very nice here. I'm not sure if it's even running, but unfortunately we don't have time anyway. But yeah, you can take that ship across the other side of the lake, and I believe on a clear day you can see Mount Fuji. So it's really cool, really nice. Beautiful and peaceful here, very clean. Oh look, traditional fishermen it looks like. That's crazy. That's so cool. And there's the little village over there.
About 3,000 years ago, a steep blast eruption occurred at Hakone that still produces steam from its crater today. Proof that it is.